Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pay with your Revolut on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, in case you haven't downloaded Revolut yet, or you have a friend that you might want to download it for you, then we have a very special link offered just for you. To download Revolut, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or until you see the first link in the comment section below. Once you go there and you click on it, you'll be invited to this page where you can sign up with your phone number from any country that you would like, and you will receive a referral bonus and the best method to transfer money on your account. Now that you have the application installed, all you have to do is go to the top right section where it says the card logo. Then from here, you're going to select one of your cards. So you're going to collect any of them, and then from here, you're going to select Add to Google Pay or Apple Wallet. So from there, once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the settings and enable the NFC right here. This will allow for the phone to pay with NFC chip, and so use any card that you have on your phone, put it on any scanner, and you're done. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.